Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio SendGrid to make automation step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Twilio SendGrid website and log into your account. If you do not have a SendGrid account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, access the dashboard and locate the API Keys section. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key for your automation. Choose a name for your API key and assign it appropriate permissions. Save the API key in a secure location, as you'll need it later. Next, open the Make website and log into your account. If you don't have a Make account, sign up for a new one. In your Make dashboard, click on the Create a New Scenario button. Add a new module by clicking on the plus sign in the scenario window. Search for and select HTTP from the list of services available. Choose the Make a Request option from the HTTP module. In the request settings, set the method to post. In the URL field, enter the SendGrid API endpoint for sending emails. For email sending, the endpoint is https://api.sendgrid.com/v3/mail/send . Now, go back to your SendGrid API settings and copy the API key you created earlier. In the HTTP request settings, add a new header by clicking on the Add Item button. Set the header key to authorization and the value to bearer followed by your API key. Next, set the content type header to application/JSON. In the request body section, define the email content in JSON format. Include fields such as personalizations, from, subject, and content. Personalization should contain an array of recipient emails. Make sure to specify the sender's email address in the From field. After entering all necessary information, click OK to save your settings. To test your scenario, click on the Run Once button in the top right corner of your scenario. If your request is successful, you should see a response indicating that the email has been sent. Finally, save your scenario and set it to run automatically as per your needs. Your Twilio SendGrid integration with Make is now complete, and you're ready to send emails through automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.